We are starting tonight in Columbia with the Department of Social Services, where employees walked off the job this morning. Chris English tells us why.
And Rachel, we're still trying to unravel exactly what happened here at the Richland County Department of Social Services on Two Notch Road after we received several tips saying that employees had walked off the job. This morning, News 19 received several calls from tipsters claiming to be employees of DSS who said they had walked off the job and were gathering in the department's parking lot. Sources say the walkout stems from poor working conditions made worse after two juveniles who were in the care of DSS got into an argument, then vandalized several offices in the building. When workers arrived this morning, they were met with broken glass and other messes. That's when workers decided they'd had enough and walked out. Things became so tense this afternoon that State DSS Director Mike Leach visited the Richland County office to try to make peace with the employees who had walked off the job. Leach had been speaking to employees on the front steps of the building, but after our cameras showed up, the meeting was moved inside. Very few of the employees agreed to speak with us, and those who did declined to speak on camera. One source tells us, quote, "Some of us are afraid of being personally attacked by the kids," adding, "We work in deplorable conditions and have been promised a new building for 10 years. One employee told us she loved her job and accepted that working with troubled youth was part of the responsibilities, but that it wasn't worth risking serious injury or death. This afternoon, the Department of Social Services issued a statement that said in part, quote, "DSS leadership visited Richland County within the last 3 weeks, and a plan is in place to improve the working conditions of DSS professionals, including adding additional security, additional clinical staff reassigned to Richland County, as well as physical improvements to the building while the agency waits for the Richland County government to complete the new Family Services Center slated for the Columbia Mall. The new DSS offices will eventually fill the area left vacant when Dillard's left the mall. The Department of Juvenile Justice and the county's 911 call center will also eventually call the Columbia Place Mall property home." And this evening we tried to reach out to Director Leach for comment, but were unsuccessful. Reporting in Columbia, Chris English, News 19, WLTX.